Hello everyone, I am Vedang Joshi and I am interning at Exposys Data Labs under the online certification program. I choose the Meet app project. I've been working for it for a while now and have come up with an app which I like to call Meet app. Meet app is a simple Android application. It asks the users for their interest, curates a feed for the user, and also gives them an option to chat and make new friends. We all are parts of different communities in our daily life. We need communities to feed our mind. We need people of same interest so that we can thrive. Meetup is a one-stop solution to all the community problems. Here we can create communities, manage them, and build new network and friends. To do so, it simply asks the users to share content which they like. This content would be shared with other users which have the same interest. Users can chat amongst themselves. The minimum viable product of this app is absolutely complete. I went a step forward and deployed it to Google Play. You can download it from there too. I have mentioned all the implementation details and Firebase stuff, also the database structure in my report as well. So let's start with the app demo. So let's open this Meet app. So here it tells us to select topics that interest you. So I would select science, literature, automobile and Bollywood and press on continue. Now we have to log in with our social accounts. We can use an email or our Google account. I would go with Google. So here I choose my account. It authenticates my account with Firebase and then signs me in. Here is the feed. From now onwards, whenever I click on this app icon, I would get directly to this feed. This is a potential endless feed. This all content is shared by other users and this content is filtered according to my interest. I would see only the posts related to what fields I have selected. That was science, literature, Bollywood, etc. These fields are nothing special, but they are links. It could be a YouTube video, a blog, or any other URL. So let's click on one of them and see what happens. So let's click on the first one, and it's a Facebook link and it opens in Chrome. So the idea is pretty simple, that you add links and thus create a curated feed according and relevant to the user. Let's add a post now. So here I can paste any link which I find interesting all over the internet. I am just typing a sample link, that is github.com, and now it would ask me to choose a reference. So this is the feed I would like it to post to. So now I have posted github.com to science. So yep, here's our link. As we are subscribed to science feed, so we can see github.com has been added to our feed also. I can chat with any users just by clicking on their username. As I clicked on Vedang, it opened up a chat window. I can type a message and send it. I don't have to send any friend request, but as soon as I send my first message, we both become friends. I can go to this option and check for all my friends who I have had a chat with. Here is the list of all my friends. The chat app is very easy to use, has an intuitive UI and looks good. This is a chat example. It is a very basic, it does not have a scene or online feature, but it does the job. So that was all. Here the 3 buttons have an sign out option, and that was the app demo. Thank you. Meetup was never created to compete with the existing social media apps. It was created to coexist with them. The content can be originally shared on YouTube, Instagram, or in a blog post. It would be shared by the users from that social media platform onto our app. Other users will see that content, like it, and thus communication would be established. Once we have communications, communities can be built around it. That is the sole purpose of this app. Thank you very much.